Yeah. Yeah. Good evening, students. Today I will be taking the cubic polynomial. So, up to yesterday we have been doing quadratic polynomial. Today I am going to do the cubic polynomial. So, there is one problem we will be solving it. Let p of x is equal to ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Verify that 3 minus 1 and minus 3 are the zeros of the polynomial of px is equal to 3x cube minus 5x squared minus 11x minus 3. Okay, this is the general formula. This is the how the polynomial looks. So this is the problem. So verify that these are the zeros of this polynomial. Okay. Now in the quadratic polynomial we have seen alpha beta. Now alpha beta gamma. So these three are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial of this. So if the zero means if you substitute 3 in x in the equation should become 0. So likewise if you substitute minus 1, it should become 0. Likewise if you substitute minus 1 by 3, the equation should become 0. That is what we are going to see now. So wherever x is there, first put 3 here first. So 3x cube. So 3 into 3x cube. So here I am putting 3x cube. Okay, minus 5, 3x squared. Minus 11 into x, minus 11 into 3, minus 3. Okay, this becomes 3 squared becomes 3 cube becomes 27. 27 into 3, okay, this is the, we will take next. Okay, this is 3 into squared is 9, 9 into 5, 45. This is minus 11 into 3, minus 33, minus 3. This 3 into 27 becomes 81. So this is 81 and minus 45 minus 33 minus 3. If you add 45, 33 and 3, this becomes 81. So plus 81 minus 81 equal to 0. So for the value of 3, x is equal to 3, the equation is becomes 0. So this part we have done it. Now second is we have to substitute x is equal to minus 1 in this equation, second equation. So wherever x is there, you have to substitute. Okay, 3 into this 3 into minus 1 cube, 1 cube, minus 1 cube. Okay, minus 5 into minus 1 squared. Minus 11 into minus 1. So minus 3, like that you have to do it. Here what happens is, this 1, this becomes minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. It will come like that. So minus 5 into this minus 7. So what will happen is, this becomes minus 1. 3 1 second, minus 5. See what happens. I put for this. What happens now? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Because 3 times you are multiplying with minus 1. So this becomes minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Okay, I just got confused because of this one mark. So this whole becomes minus 3 because this is 3 times now. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 again. So this becomes minus 3. Now this minus 1 squared become plus 1. But plus 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Okay. Now minus 11 into minus 1 becomes plus 11. Then this minus 3 is there. So you have to add all this. 11 is there. If you add all minus 3, minus 5, minus 3, it becomes 11 minus 11 equal to 0. You got this point. In the second equation, you have to substitute minus 1 in the wherever x is coming. Okay. So the answer becomes like this. So this is also we have proved. The third one, minus of 1 by 3. So here only, see, thing is, uh, this is what yesterday in the morning also I told you, we have to develop the skills of the basics of the mathematics. Okay. Now, what we have to do, we are substituting minus 1 by 3 in x cube. Okay. The same thing, 3x squared minus 5 into minus 1 by 3 the whole squared minus 11 into minus 1 by 3 minus 3. Okay, no problem. Now this becomes minus 1 by 3 becomes minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3. So what happens is, uh, this is numerator becomes minus 1, denominator becomes 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. So again I told you there are 3 minuses. So the whole thing becomes minus now. This becomes minus. So minus 3 by 27. This is minus 3 by 27. Okay, now this minus 5 into minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 becomes plus 1 by 3 into 5. So minus 1 by 9. This will become minus plus 1 by 9. Sorry. Minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 becomes plus 1 by 3. But plus 1 by 9. But outside is minus 5 is there. This will become minus 5 by 9. Okay, you got this point. Because this whole thing becomes plus 1 by 9. But outside is minus 5 is there. So this becomes minus 5 by 9. So next is 11. Okay. 11 by 3. Because now we have minus 11. Yeah, minus 11 into minus 1 by 3. Because here minus and minus goes out. This becomes plus 11 by 3. You got this point. Minus 11 into minus 1 by 3. Plus 11 by 3. This minus 3 is there. So what is this becomes minus 3 by 27 becomes minus 1 by 9. Okay, this is minus 1 by minus 5 by 9. This is plus 11 by 3. Then minus 3. Okay, now we have to take an LCM. Okay, this 9 is common here because 1 by, minus 1 by 9 minus 5 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus 3 by 1. This one I am writing purposely because it should have a denominator. No, for taking the LCM purpose, I am writing it as 1. Actually, you need not write once you start developing max. You need not write this. Now, what for each this element, no, this fraction, you have to multiply by 9. This LCM. So 9 into minus 1 by 9. Okay, this 9 should multiply here. Again minus 5 by 9 into 9. Again 11 by 3 into 9. Minus 3 into 9. Like that it goes. So minus 9 into minus 1 by 9 becomes minus 1. Because this 9 and 9 goes out. This 9 and 9 goes out minus 5. So here 9 is there, 3 is there. So if you cancel out, this becomes 3. 11 into 3, 33. Minus 3 into 9 minus 27 divided by 9. If you add all this is plus 33. If you add minus 27 minus 5 minus 1, that becomes minus 33. Plus 33 minus 33 is 0. 0 divided by 9 is 0. So for all the 3 zeros, that is 3 minus 1 and minus 3, we have proved. We have substituted in the equation all the x values, and we have proved in all the cases the equation becomes 0. So this is the how to solve this problem. Okay.